morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Ma'am,
beta.
good morning, ma'am.
Yes.
Good morning.
Good morning. Bonjour.
Ma'am.
This is your French class or this is your GK class?
Ma'am, I think GK.
Oh, let me check in the timetable.
GK.
This is your
Ma'am,
GK class. Okay, very nice. So children, we are doing GK for the first time. Are you doing GK for the first time with me or you've done it before?
No, ma'am, first time with you.
First time. So who used to teach you before me?
Ma'am, Gaurav Dev sir.
How much have you covered from your GK book? Have you already done? Beta, how much have you done?
Ma'am, now we are starting.
Ma'am, now we have to start.
We have to start. So you have not started GK in this session?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
All right. So you'll be beginning with me. So let's open our books to page number 5. Yes, page number 5. Now the first unit is the nature corner. We are going to learn about our nature. What all things, what all animals, plants are around us, and whatever comes in nature. We are going to learn about that. So here the chapter name is Where in the World. Where in the world now do we find these birds and animals? Let's just find it out.
Ma'am, first I can take first one.
Okay, first part, do one thing, read out the question first.
Ma'am, can I read?
Match the following animals with the country or region where they are found.
Okay, match the following animals. Now, just match them. Where are anacondas found?
Ma'am, Amazon. Amazon basin. Ma'am, Amazon.
Very nice. They are found in Amazon basin.
State is found in Sahara.
Polar bear are.
Arey beta, what hurry are you in? Huh? Do we have to complete the whole book today?
No, ma'am.
Okay, then wait.
No.
The next is ostrich. Where are ostriches found?
Ma'am,
The-
Sahara. Ma'am, Sahara. Ma'am, Sahara.
Very nice, very good. It is found in the Sahara region. Okay. Then after that we have polar bear. Where is polar bear found?
Ma'am, Antarctica. Ma'am, Antarctica.
Wrong.
Ma'am,
Polar bear
Antarctica.
is found in Antarctica.
Arctic.
Beta, this is the GK class. This is your GK class going on.
Arctic. Ma'am, Arctic.
It is
Ma'am,
found in the Arctic Ocean, the Arctic area. Just wait, children. I need to.
ma'am.
I need a 5 seconds break.
Okay, ma'am. तब तक मैं सारे के सारे कर दूंगा इसके बाद दो कहीं
Okay. Next we have the Kia bird. Now
Ma'am,
this
Kia.
bird, Kia.
New Zealand.
How do you know it's found in New Zealand? You have cheated the answer from the back. How do you know?
No, ma'am.
Yes,
no,
then
ma'am, we have studied in class 5th.
you have studied
No,
this in
ma'am.
class 5th. Very nice.
No, ma'am.
Very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
the question? Can you tell me?
What, beta?
Ma'am, panda. Ma'am, panda is in China.
Yes, ma'am. Panda is in China.
Very nice. Panda is found in China.
And China. Antarctic. Antarctica. Ma'am, penguin is found in Antarctica. One
Antarctica.
rhino is in India.
No, panda is not found. Panda is not found in Antarctica. Who is saying it is found in Antarctica?
Ma'am, panda is in China. Panda is in China.
Yes.
Ma'am, panda is China.
China.
And penguin is in Antarctica.
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, polar bear is in Antarctica.
Yes.
And in the one horn
Okay, next.
in India.
Which page number we are on?
Beta, page number 5.
Page number 5.
All of you, please mute yourself. There is so much chaos in this class. We are on page number 5, GK. We are doing GK. This is your GK period.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, 1 second.
Go and get your GK books, all of you.
Ma'am,
Yes, page number 5.
Ma'am, you know my GK book is well covered.
Very nice. Congratulations.
Ma'am, all books are covered.
Okay, next.
Ma'am, next one is Mojo monkey. Ma'am, which is in Japan.
Ma'am,
That is macaque monkey. Macaque monkey.
Ma'am,
Now, children, listen.
Japan.
Ma'am, next one is one honored.
Camel is
Ma'am, next one is one honored. Ma'am, where it is found in
One
one
rhino.
honored?
Okay, Gaurav, Pahila Jani. Just open your camera. I want to see your face.
Ma'am, Bengali. Ma'am, Mongolia.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, what happened?
Nothing happened. You're talking too much.
Ma'am, I'm asking the seventh one honored. Ma'am, it's in
One
which country?
horned rhino is found in India.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
It is found in India.
Then after the one horned rhino, we have macaque monkey. Now where
Ma'am,
is
Japan.
Yes, it is found in Japan.
Ma'am, Japan.
Then where is bacterian camel found?
Ma'am, Mongolia. Mongolia.
Bacterian camel is found in Mongolia.
And ma'am, kangaroo is found in Australia.
Oh, ma'am, Australia. Sorry, ma'am, Australia.
Ma'am,
Then
kangaroo is
after
found in
the
Australia.
bacterian camel, we have kangaroo. Where is kangaroo found?
Australia. Australia.
Yes, it is found in Australia. So everyone has written all the regions where these animals and birds are found.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone has missed any region or any animal? Please tell me.
No, ma'am.
Oh, ma'am.
Now, Vidushi Sharma, read out what Froggy speaks at the end of this chapter. Froggy has something to tell us. So what is he speaking? Let's just see.
Froggy speaks. Polar bear in the world is the world's largest meat-eating animal. Male monkey go bald in the same way as male human beings do.
Very nice. So polar bear is what? Did you know that he's the world's largest meat-eating
Yes, ma'am.
animal? Did you know that
Yes.
already?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Wonderful. You in which subject have you studied it?
Ma'am, I just study in National Geography.
Oh, that's wonderful. And what
I
about
study
others?
in science.
No,
You have
Ma'am, I
studied in
don't
science.
no.
Okay,
No,
very
ma'am,
nice.
it's in the progress. Ma'am, next to the chapter.
All right. And also male monkeys go bald in the same way as male humans do. Did you know that? What is the meaning of bald?
No.
What is bald?
Ma'am,
Anybody
means
knows? Yes?
Ma'am, I know.
Yes,
Ma'am, ma'am, becoming red or wrinkly.
becoming red.
No, ma'am, it is becoming dark in color, like a brown and a face like a red colored.
No. Bald is when you don't have hair on your head. A bald man. What is it called in Hindi? Yes, bald is that. So, like we have seen,
Ganja.
yes,
I'm
like
Ganja.
like we see, women don't go bald. Do they go bald in old age? It's only
No,
men
ma'am.
who go bald. So similarly, the male monkeys also, like humans, they go bald. Did you know this fact? No, we didn't know. All right. Now coming on to the next chapter. The next chapter is going to tell us about a few plants which are useful in making medicines. We extract different parts of these trees, these plants, and make out medicines from those different parts. Which are useful, which are, yes, everybody will get a turn to read, which are useful in various illnesses, various diseases, or various pains. Now let's see what these trees, what these plants are.
Ma'am, can I read?
Okay. Agriya, no, you will not read because your camera is not on. I only give chance to those who keep their cameras on. This is how you will learn to keep your cameras on. You know? Yes, first Kamakshi Gangwar will read.
Okay, ma'am. The leaves, bark, and
No,
fruit
not
of the
from
tree
here, not
have.
from here. How do you begin reading a chapter? What is the
Ma'am,
way
can
to read a chapter?
India is known for
No,
its.
not at all.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, Pasgupta can
From
read.
where will you read?
ma'am, from the heading.
Yes,
That can
from the
help.
heading. That's the way you start to read.
Ma'am, because if we don't read the headings, so nobody will know from where we are reading from.
Yes.
Extend time. Some 2,000 plants have been destroyed in the Ayurveda
Ayurveda.
and above 500 of them are in regular use.
Okay, very nice. I want one more student to read the same part of the chapter.
Ma'am.
Okay. Shatakshi Seni. Shatakshi.
Pasgupta can read.
Finger on your lips, all of you. Yes,
Chapter 2,
Shatakshi.
plants that can heal. India is known for its herbs and spice since the ancient time. Some 2,000 plants have been described in the Ayurveda and about 500 of them are regular in use.
Very nice. So there are how many plants? Around 2,000 plants that have been described in the Ayurveda. 2,000 plants have got medicinal values. Medicines are made out of 2,000 plants. And out of those 2,000, 500 plants are such that are regularly used to make medicines. Now, read the description.
Can I read?
Read the descriptions of some Indian medicinal plants. Can you write their names? Okay, Vidushi, read out the first one.
Ma'am, after Vidushi, can I read?
Bark fruits of the trees have high antibiotic and antibacterial properties.
Now, which
The
is
answer-
this tree? Which is this?
Ma'am, it is neem.
Neem tree. Very good. This tree has the leaves, the bark, and the fruits. All three parts of this tree, they have got good or high antibacterial and antibiotic properties.
Ma'am, neem is used in many.
Yes,
of
it is
the-
used. Very nice. It is used for skin problems also. It is used for many other antibiotics also.
Ma'am,
Which
it
are
is
very
used in
Second,
creams
Gaurav can read.
also.
Ma'am, second, Gaurav can
where
read.
Vidushi? Where are you saying?
Ma'am, I am saying it is used in creams also. As
Yes.
antibacterial creams, soaps.
Very nice. Yes, that is what I'm saying. It is used in a lot of skin, skin diseases. It is used.
Ma'am, can Gaurav read now?
Yes, Gaurav can read now.
The powder made from seeds of the tree is very effective in treating diabetes.
Diabetes.
Ma'am,
In treating diabetes. Now,
ma'am,
Ma'am, I think it's berries. Ma'am, blueberries. Jamun.
blueberry.
It's jamun.
no, ma'am. Ma'am,
Jam.
blackberry.
Jamun.
Jamun. Jamun.
Ma'am,
The answer
jamun.
given at the back is jamun. The jamun tree. Now, when we eat jamun and the seeds, what are they used for? They are used to make a powder, which are helpful in treating diabetes.
Ma'am, I can read Parth Gupta.
Yes, read.
The leaves of the tree are used to cure eye sores. Its gum is used as a tonic. Babul.
Ma'am, it.
What is the name of the tree?
Babul.
Babul.
Ma'am,
It's called babul.
Ma'am, babul. Ma'am, babul.
Babul. It's called babul. Have you heard of that paste?
Babul.
Babul toothpaste? Yes. So that is made of this tree only.
Toothpaste.
Yes, it's a toothpaste. So they are saying that it is used, they are used to cure eye sores, and its gum, the gum that is taken out from babul tree, is used as a tonic. Then next Arishal. I think Arishal doesn't want her turn to come, so she's closed. He has closed her camera.
I don't have a I don't have a book.
You don't have. Oh, then how are you doing? Why didn't you ask it in the beginning, beta? We would have shared a PDF with you, na? How will you do it?
Because I'm not in French.
You are not in?
Ma'am, French.
तो ये फ्रेंच क्लास चल रही है? कौन सी क्लास चल रही है?
Ma'am, GK.
Arishal,
Ma'am, it's GK.
where is your GK book? Whatever book, beta, if you don't have, you have to tell your teacher in the beginning, no, so that teacher can provide you the PDF at least. Yes, Shatakshi, beta, do the needful. She's sending this, sending the PDF.
Ma'am, next, can I read this one?
No other student wants his or her turn to come.
So, ma'am,
Naina
I
Singh,
want to
Shrey,
come.
Kakkar, Ranjal, Daksh, Navdeep.
Ma'am, I want
Nobody
to
wants their turn to come. Least interested in the class. Only 4-5 students are there who are reading and taking interest and reading.
Can I read?
Daksh,
Ma'am,
read
please
out the
can
next
I?
one.
Yes. Ma'am, I want to ask something. Can I ask?
Yes, sure.
Ma'am, the paragraph that we are going to read, ma'am, in the second line, ma'am, there is a word, ma'am, EARACHE. Ma'am, what is that word?
Now you make a guess. Break that word into 2 parts. You will get to know. The first part is EAR. What is EAR?
Ma'am, ear.
And what is the second part now?
Ma'am, ACHE. Ma'am, earache. Ma'am, earache.
Very good. Very good. This is how you do. Okay.
Ma'am, can I read this paragraph, please?
No, I told Daksh to read. Daksh, beta, what happened? You don't have the book? Then, do you know where we are reading? Daksh, beta, You don't want to read?
Ma'am, can I?
You're not connected to the audio. I can't hear what you are saying. No, beta, you're not connected. Can anybody hear the?
No, ma'am.
Can we do the PDF?
Okay,
Ma'am,
Arishal,
any
have you found the
notification?
PDF? Arishal, have you? No? On the class group, dekho na. Kamakshi, where have you sent? Who sent? Kamakshi or somebody else? Shatakshi.
Ma'am, can I send fast?
Ma'am, I'm sending. Ma'am, I'm sending it. Ma'am, 2 minutes.
Let me check. Let me check. Which class is this? 6th A?
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा 6th A में तो कोई PDF नहीं आई. Who is sending?
Ma'am, I'm sending. Ma'am, I'm sending this in 2 minutes.
Yes. Shatakshi Seni has sent.
Ma'am,
Okay.
now can Gaurav read the fourth one?
No, now Arishal will read. Arishal.
Yes, ma'am, I'm reading.
Okay, after
The fresh-
Babu.
The fresh juice of its leaf is a cure for earache. It also regulates blood pressure.
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
So the
Ma'am,
fresh,
can I tell the answer?
the fresh
Ma'am, the
juice
answer
of
is
its
Arjun.
leaves.
Ma'am, I can tell.
Ma'am, the answer is Arjun.
Ma'am,
Yes,
Arjun.
ma'am.
Arjun.
Arjun, ma'am, Arjun.
Arjun. What does the Arjun? What is this? It also the tree. Okay, the tree is Arjun. So what are the leaves used for? They are used to cure earache, and it is
Earache.
also used in. It is also good for blood
Blood
pressure.
pressure. Blood.
Blood pressure.
What is the meaning of cure?
Cure is बेटा किसी चीज को ठीक करना.
Ma'am, can I read fifth one? Ma'am, can I read fifth one?
Shrey Kakkar. Shrey Kakkar, read out the 5th one. Shrey.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can Gaurav? Ma'am, can I? Parth?
No, let's give chance to all students now. Shrey beta, what happened? You don't want to read?
Left the meeting.
Huh?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, please tell where I have to read.
You have to read plants
Page
that
6.
can heal, the last second one. Just the last second part.
Ma'am, can you listen?
The herb is found.
Page number 6.
Page number 6.
Ma'am, can you listen?
Yes.
Ma'am, can Nadeep Gupta can read?
Who?
Ma'am, Daksh can read.
Daksh beta karo, read karo. Koi to karo.
This herb is only found in India. It is very effective in controlling blood
This
pressure.
herb is
Ma'am, the answer is
Sarpagandha.
Sarpagandha. Sarpagandha. So the herb is found now. See, this herb is only found in India, nowhere else, and it controls blood pressure.
Okay, ma'am.
Then next, the last one,
Ma'am,
who
can
will
I
read?
read the sixth one?
Navdeep Gupta.
Ma'am, Gaurav.
Navdeep, you haven't got your turn. Navdeep will read the last one on page number 6.
Okay, ma'am. 6th one. It is used to cure asthma and ulcers. Its buds are good for treating the problems of digestive system.
Kachinar. Ma'am, Kachinar.
Kachinar. Ma'am, Kachinar.
It is Kachnar. It is used to cure asthma and ulcers. You know what asthma is? You call it
Yes, ma'am.
asthma कहते हैं हम, but asthma is not the correct pronunciation.
Yes.
The correct pronunciation is asthma. And what are ulcers, children? What is ulcers? Who will tell?
Sorry, ma'am, I don't know. What
Okay, ulcers are that we get inside our mouth and we are unable to eat anything that is spicy. Yes.
Ma'am, it is a type of disease that it is in the intestine.
Yes. It is
Ma'am,
related to some internal problem, but our mouth gets all the burns inside it that we call chhale in Hindi.
Yes, ma'am.
Ulcers are chhale. Okay.
Ma'am,
So which plant is used in that case? It's kachna.
Ma'am, Kachnar.
Okay. Now what Froggy speaks in this chapter? Gaurav, read out the last 2 points. What does the Froggy want to tell us? Tell me.
Froggy speaks. The great Indian physician Charaka studied the medical values of plants about 2000 years ago. 3 systems of medicine, Ayurveda, Unani, and Siddha, are based on the medical properties of the plants.
3 systems of medicine, that is Ayurveda, Unani and Siddha. They are based on what? Medicinal properties of plants. Now we have heard of Ayurveda. Suna hai na Ayurvedic ilaj. So Ayurvedic is also based on plants. Unani is also based on plants, and Siddha. Unani and Siddha are uncommon terms. Are you aware of it, children? Any one of you who is aware of these terms?
Ma'am, which term?
Ma'am, Baba Ramdev also is Ayurvedic.
Priya, that is what I'm saying. We are
Yes,
aware
ma'am.
of the term
But
Ayurveda.
ma'am,
But are we aware of the terms
ma'am, I know
Unani and
about
Siddha?
Ayurveda.
Anyone
No,
who
ma'am.
has heard Unani and Siddha? You have
No,
heard?
ma'am. No, ma'am.
They are a little uncommon, but they are also the systems in which medicines are based or they are made of plants and trees. Clear? So now everybody,
Okay.
time is 11:50. The class will get over at 12 o'clock. Okay, I'm giving you 5 minutes. All of you revise both the chapters. We are going to have a quiz in the last 5 minutes.
Okay, ma'am.
5 minutes to revise and 5 minutes a quiz. Your time starts now.
Ma'am, I have revised.
Very nice, beta. Very good. But wait for others. Very good. Be quiet. Let others revise.
Ma'am, done, ma'am, revise.
Very good, beta. All of you have revised?
Yes, ma'am.
Vidushi is saying no. Children, you will not be allowed to open your books. All of you will be in front of the camera. So revise it properly. I can ask you questions from Froggy Speaks also.
स्क्रीन टाइम कर दो सब अबे भी आए थे
Mute
चले गए
yourself, Parth. Parth, mute yourself.
Ma'am, you know, ma'am, it's my first class with you.
Today it's your first class of what? Of all the subjects or of GK?
Ma'am of GK.
Ma'am, only of GK. Ma'am of GK.
So beta, it is my first class also with you all of GK.
Ma'am,
That is why we have started.
written that.
No beta, why are we starting from first chapter then? How come there are other students in the class now?
Ma'am, there are 40 students. 42.
ma'am,
No, just now Alok Gangwar and Vansh Mahajan have joined. Why so late, Vansh Mahajan and Alok?
Ma'am, because of network.
Yes?
Additional laptop upside down. They were there for
Okay.
Ma'am,
I was 3 minutes late.
Yeah?
there are 7. Ma'am, please start the quiz.
Wait, beta,
Yes,
just
ma'am,
a
we are
second.
ready.
Let me send my link in the next class. I just forgot to do
Ma'am,
that.
ma'am, yesterday, ma'am, we got science award.
Science?
Award, ma'am, award.
Award, ma'am,
Ma'am,
award.
Gaurav Palyani. Ma'am, the names of children are, ma'am, me, Gaurav Palyani, Vidushi Sharma, and ma'am, I think Satak.
Ma'am, Ashmira also.
You are not.
and then Parth Gupta also.
You are not.
And ma'am, I
Okay.
also.
The first question that comes your way, all of you close your books and open your cameras. I will ask questions only from the ones whose cameras will be on. Rest of you can leave the class if you're not willing to open your cameras. Okay, the first question is where is the bird ostrich found? In which part of the world?
Ma'am,
Yes.
Sahara.
Where?
Yes, ma'am, absolutely right.
Sahara. Okay. In which part of the world do we find kangaroos?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can Gaurav Palyani tell?
And then Shatakshi tell.
You can all of you can answer.
Ma'am, can
Don't ask me.
Good morning,
Australia.
ma'am.
Australia.
And kangaroos.
Very good.
Australia.
Keep yourself
And
unmuted.
kangaroo in Australia.
Okay.
Ma'am, can we write in the chat box?
No. Just speak it out because we have just 4 minutes left, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Then we have which plant is used to cure asthma and ulcers?
ma'am,
It
it is
Ma'am, Karchna. Ma'am, Karchna.
Karchna. Karchar. Yes, ma'am.
Kachnar. Kachnar.
Kachnar. Yes, ma'am.
Kachnar.
You
Ma'am,
people have
Kachnar.
you people to have made you people have made kachra of Kachnar, huh? Next, what is that plant which is used or effective in treating diabetes? It is made.
Ma'am, I know this. Ma'am,
Very good.
Jamun.
Very good. Vidushi has
Jamun.
revised. Vidushi has revised very well. Where are bacterian camels found? Bacterial.
Camels are found in Mongolia.
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 All right. Now you have to tell me which animal is found in Japan.
I know this. Panda. Panda.
Macaque, monkey. Macaque.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Monkey.
Monkey.
In India, which animal is found?
And then one rhino. Then one rhino.
Very
Then
good.
one
Very
rhino.
good. Okay.
Bananas.
Where do we find anacondas?
Amazon basin.
Amazon basin.
Okay. Which tree? Sorry, the leaves of which tree are used to cure eye sores?
Arjun tree.
Arjun.
No, ma'am, the bull.
Very good, Shatakshi.
No, ma'am, it's the
Yes,
bull.
ma'am. Baboon.
It's baboon.
Baboon. It's baboon.
Yes. बेटा वो अर्जुन तो वो है ना दूसरा वाला ट्री है ना the leaves of no not the yes the fresh
it
juice
is-
of the leaves is used for what of Arjun tree tell me
Wait.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, kill for earache.
yes
no, a baboon.
Ma'am, kill.
Baboon.
that is used for earache the fresh juice of the leaves of Arjun tree
Ma'am,
And ma'am,
kill
blood
for
pressure.
earache.
And ma'am, blood
which
pressure.
tree has got antibacterial and antibiotic properties
Ma'am, neem. Ma'am, neem. Ma'am,
Neem.
neem. Ma'am, neem.
okay which is that herb that is found only in India and is
Sarpa. Ma'am, Sarpa. Sarpaganda.
okay it is sarpagandha
Sarpaganda.
What are you pronouncing, Arishal? Sarpagandha. What is that? It's Sarpagandha.
Sarpaganda.
Everybody say Sarpagandha. What is Sarp? What is Sarp? Sarp is a snake. You know the Sanskrit version. Snake in Sanskrit is called
Sarpaganda.
Okay, so here I think we come to the end of our class. It's 12 o'clock. So I'm ending the meeting here. Bye, beta.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.